So right now, today, we've ventured out to the Sankampaeng Hot Springs in Chiang Mai. Have a look now. Beautiful, beautiful garden. So it's a built up area consisting of souvenirs and toys. At the moment they're playing precautions COVID-19. And it's 100 baht just to enter the park itself. And in this you'll be enticed with great greenery. Looking over to the hot springs. It's deep in Chiang Mai's village, jungle area. And as you can see, people, it's picking up. So I'll just show you what's going on at the moment. I'll be honest, not really much, but we are heading to the springs itself. You see the fantastic water from there on. Right now we're heading towards a hot spring. See the mineral bath tickets. You can have a bath as well. So right now we've got the signs here for hot springs, mineral bath, mineral water course, drink and egg house, and swimming pool. So yeah, the various facilities. Okay, so now we're looking to do a bath session. Tickets to enter the park is 100 baht.
I'm gonna get both with the food.
Also got the dining area here.